Thank you, Ingela, for that introduction. I'm very happy and honored to once again welcome you all to the Techtank Conference. This year's theme, Smart Solution for a Sustainable Production, has an agenda and content I'm sure that will gain new knowledge and ideas for all of us. Today, we only need to open any newspaper or turn on the TV to understand that sustainable production is an area that affects everything in everyone's life. It doesn't matter if you are a denier to the cause of climate change. The direction of the industry is already now set and the investments are ongoing. So there is no way back. Period. If you as a supplier don't act and follow now, you will be out of business before 2025. The big OEMs and Tier 1 suppliers are investing to setting the scene. We are now ahead of the politicians and in our ambitions. In the automotive industry, where I come from, we will set the sustainable targets on every single part and material in the car. And sub-suppliers has to follow, and governments need to show that they are committed. One of my colleagues here at Volvo Cars, Mr. Anders Kjærberg, Head of Sustainability at Volvo Cars, he visited the COP27 in Egypt some weeks ago. He got the question from the Swedish Minister of Environment. What are the biggest challenges for Volvo Cars regarding sustainability, Anders? She said. Anders listed the following bullets. Access to stable, fossil-free electricity. Access to sustainable raw materials, starting with steel, aluminum, copper. It could be low emission or recycled. Speed of climate transformation in the global supply chain. Speed of increasing the general knowledge of sustainability among medium and small suppliers. Charging infrastructure to meet our customer demands who buy our cars. And the last one, governments backsliding on climate commitments. Because we are investing now and we need stability. Not only for 4 years, we need stability. So I would like to summarize. As many times before, big transformation depends on engineers. It will entail many practical challenges. It could be things like testing all the new materials and methods. But I have a bright future. I have a bright view of the future, and it comes with opportunities for good business and technology development. So, Ingela, let's start up the conference and get inspired once again and continue developing us together. Thank you all, and please enjoy the conference and the day. Thank you.